Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is another cook with me. This is an easy crock pot / slow cooker, whatever you want to call it, chicken and dumplings, and I'm using the Trader Joe's buttermilk biscuits and also the Trader Joe's chicken broth. So I just started out and I just put 2 chicken breasts in the crock pot and covered them with the chicken broth. And sorry guys, I really don't measure whenever I cook unless it's like baking, but I would say I put about 1.5 cups of chicken broth over the chicken breasts. And then after that, I'm just going to sprinkle some salt and pepper and just a dash of cayenne pepper. And you don't have to use this if you don't want to. I just do. I feel like it gives it a little bit more flavor and it doesn't make it spicy. Then I'm just dicing up my onion. I use about I guess 3/4 of an onion really. And if you saw my last cooking video, then you know that I cook with onions almost every single recipe. Now I'm just adding those into the crock pot with the chicken breast and the chicken broth. And I believe I added somewhere between 3 and 4 cups of water to this. And then I leave it on high for about 4 hours. And after it has cooked for about 4 hours, just long enough for the chicken to get done. You can do it for a little bit longer if you'd like. I just scoop out the chicken and then I break it up into smaller pieces with a beater, and then I'm going to add in about 2 tablespoons of it's similar to butter. It's a vegetarian type butter, and I just add about 2 tablespoons in there. While I'm breaking up the chicken, I just let that start to melt. And then I add some whole milk. So the reason I don't put the biscuits in at the very beginning is because it will overcook the biscuit dough. So now I'm just going to add them in there, and it's very tedious and it takes a long time to do, but you just cut up each biscuit individually, and I believe there's 8 biscuits. I'm not really sure, maybe you can count them. So anyway, I just cut them up into small pieces. And I started out just using the knife, and then after that I got a little tired of that and started using the knife and then breaking them up with my fingers. So after you have them all put in there, and you want to make sure they're individually placed in there because you don't want them to all stick together. So after you put all of them in there, you just kind of let the liquid get over them for a little bit and then cover it, let it cook for another 30 minutes. And you just keep going back and just kind of messing around with the biscuits so they don't all join as one biscuit. And I think I'm sprinkling some salt and pepper. Maybe it's just pepper. Anyway, I love salt and pepper, so I just added that to it. I'm pretty sure both of them. And then I let it cook for another 30 minutes to an hour. Just keep stirring. And I go back every 30 minutes, probably about 4 times. And I really don't keep track. I just look at the biscuit, and once they start to get golden brown on at least one side of the biscuit, then I know it's getting close to being done. Okay, so that's all for this video. I hope that you enjoyed. Please let me know what you guys think, and if you decide to try this recipe. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and please give this video a thumbs up. All right, thanks guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.